Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, College Talks. Thank you for taking the time to view my video. We will be covering the top 5 strategies to search for scholarships for undocumented students at their college. In addition, I will be providing 3 bonus hacks, so I highly encourage you to watch the entire video until the end. My name is Joseph Medina, and I'm an independent college counselor. I work with undocumented students from high school all the way to the university. I also work on the undocumented student organizations at the community college and university level. If you'd like to learn more about me, please visit my website at medinacollegeconsulting.com, and you can also check the link in the description. Tip number 1. You want to check out your school's financial aid office or the scholarship department. And so we're going to use CSUN as an example. That's where I graduated from. So just click on the financial aid website, and they will have a list of scholarships. As you can see, there's on-campus and off-campus scholarships. We're going to click on the on-campus, and you can see there's a list. You want to scroll down, and there's apply for scholarships. And you also want to check the student portal for scholarships. So here's a list of scholarships from the university for students. It could be for your major, program, or community organization. Tip number 2. Talk to or email faculty, staff, or peers at the college or university. It is a great way to find scholarships that professors and other staff like advisors know about, and to learn about internships, job opportunities, and if you need a letter recommendation for the scholarship, or for grad school, or for a reference for a job. Tip number 3. You want to check out the department's website of your major or the college that you're in at your university. So we'll give example, if you're a biology major, so you want to go to the academic programs, scroll down, look for the biology website, look to see if there's any resources for students or scholarships on the page. And as you can tell, there's scholarships and awards right here. Scholarships and awards right here, you can pick either. And so he'll give you a list of scholarships for undergrad and graduate students. Also at CSUN, they have a page with all the majors, like their scholarships. It says college and department scholarships. And if you scroll down, it gives you a list. Tip number 4, you want to check out the Dream Center or Undocumented Student Program at your university. They will have scholarships specifically for undocumented students. And I highly encourage you to speak to the staff to find out about more scholarship opportunities. So here's CSUN's Dream Center, and if you just scroll down, you'll see that they have scholarships right here. And so these scholarships right here are for undocumented students that attend CSUN. And if you continue to scroll, they have a list of scholarships that are general. So this is tip number 4. Tip number 5. Look into student organizations on your campus. Some organizations, including undocumented student organizations, provide scholarships for students attending their school. It is a good way to network and meet new people. Reach out and learn more about the clubs to see if they have scholarships that you may be eligible for. Contact them by email, and a good way is to follow them on social media because usually students post updates about scholarships and other resources on campus or in the community. So here we go, scholarship search tips, bonus time. Bonus hack number 1. You want to check out Dream Centers and Undocumented Student Program websites at other colleges and universities. So each center and program provides scholarships for students, but most of the time those scholarships can be open for students not attending that school. So it could be open for any undocumented student. I highly recommend you check out the community colleges and universities around your area and around your school, or if you want, take it to another level, expand, and check out as many as you can. It is a little easier to find scholarships that you may be eligible for because they have already done the work and created a list. Bonus hack number 2. You want to check out department's office or website for other majors or areas of study at the college or university, even if you have a minor. Let's do an example. We'll do the Chicano Studies department at CSUN. Shout out to the Chicano Studies department. That's what I got my degree in. So you want to go to their website and look for scholarships. So they have a list of scholarships right here. One for METRA, Chicano Studies. So you want to check the student portal. And they also have one for the Chicano Studies Foundation. So they have scholarships for majors and minors, and also non-majors. So this one's for non-majors. As long as you're Latinx and you meet the other requirements, you can apply. And as you can see right here, they encourage AB 540 students to apply. So, and also think bigger. You want to look at, other majors or minors. Say if you're undocumented from Asia or undocumented from Africa, you want to check out like Asian American Studies or African American Studies, or even, depending on your school, ethnic studies or women's studies. Bonus hack number 3. Look into undocumented student organizations at other colleges and universities. Some student organizations offer scholarships for any undocumented student not attending their college or university with no particular major. It's a great way to find other scholarships that students created to help other undocumented students. An example is Ideas at UCLA. They have a scholarship open for all undocumented students in high school, community college, university, or even grad school. It may be competitive, but it's another opportunity. And look at other student orgs at the different colleges that may have a scholarship. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. I will be posting more videos, especially for undocumented students. I recommend you visit my website at medinacollegeconsulting.com. The link is in the description below. You will find additional resources there and workshops and projects that I'm doing to help undocumented students. You can also follow my social media accounts as well, which can be found below. Please reach out to me if you have any questions and leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you, and thank you for your time.